Hi. Yeah. So basically, one of the things which I was talking about is I think this was we are going to do a chart analysis right now. So here you can see the Tata Steel was actually made a gap down, and ये जो move आई ये एक बहुत ही बड़ी एक बहुत ही fast and furious move थी. And normally I don't like moves like this. If you see the past pattern which I always talk about is a fast and furious move, something like this happens and then this huge correction comes in. Similarly, you can see here these are 4 5 candles, a consolidation and a huge downfall. And this was exactly the reason why I said when it reached 1158 levels that this is the time I'm booking out, because I was making a huge profit from 1130 levels, and 1160 is basically 3% intraday in half an hour, 1 hour. That's like an awesome goal which I had already achieved. Going forward, I can see 1170 as a very tough resistance, and even if a 1172 and 74 regions, I am pretty sure that it won't be able to sustain. If it's able to sustain and goes past 1180, then I would enter again. But till then, I think as a trader and as a person, देखिए, every trader, every person has his own set of rules, and these are the set of rules he is guided and is bound to follow. हर ट्रेडर, हर इन्वेस्टर मार्केट को स्टडी करता है, उसके पास्ट पैटर्न्स को देखता है. मैं जैसे दिखाया कि यू सी वेन एवर देयर इज एन इराटिक मूव्स, इवन इफ इट हैज़ वॉल्यूम्स, these are not sustained by the market, right? So even if there is some huge good news flow from the steel sector and it opens up at 1200 and above, still I won't like to trade, because that would be against my trading norm. As I always say, in a breakout trade, always make a in the middle, try to analyze what happens in the middle. So here you can see it came and then it dipped and then it came and then it was a very slow move. And moves like this is something which I like. अगर यहाँ पे breakout आता तो मैं definitely trade करता, लेकिन यहाँ पे जो हुआ within 2 candles, and this is on an hourly chart, you can see it broke this range, or it tried to had a it just touched the upper range, right? और मुझे जो ये लगी कि this was something, you can see it closed at 1158 levels, so it just was trying to fill this gap. So let's see, right? लेकिन मैं टाटा स्टील में ऐसे मूवमेंट्स में कभी भी पोजीशंस लॉन्ग नहीं रखता हूँ, नो मैटर व्हाट द सेंटिमेंट ऑफ द मार्केट इज, नो मैटर व्हाट द सेंटिमेंट अबाउट द सेक्टर इज, एंड नो मैटर व्हाट द सेंटिमेंट ऑफ द ऑफ दिस promoter is. So definitely I would be very happy to add more aggressively once 1200 is breached, क्योंकि मेरा मिड टर्म जो टारगेट्स मैंने डिस्कस किए थे इन प्रीवियस वीडियो, वो फिर वहाँ पे आएंगे, एंड दैट वुड 1200 would be a very good level to study. Going forward, as I say in the morning, if it opens with a gap up, chances are very high that there would be a sell-off. Or if it opens below 1155 levels, then I can easily see it correcting towards 1140 levels, or maybe it will get stuck in a range. Of course, these are speculations. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment or trading. आप अपने financial advisor से बात करके ही करें, लेकिन मेरे लिए जब भी कोई एक लोअर रेंज से अपर रेंज जब ऐसी मूव्स आती हैं, दीज आर नॉट वेरी सस्टेनेबल, और अगर सस्टेनेबल मूव नहीं है तो मैं इनमें पोजीशन नहीं बनाता. मे बी आई एम रॉन्ग, बट मेरा जो ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रैटेजी है वो है कि आई शुड बी एबल टू मेक मनी ऑन all the fronts and in all weather. So basically this is how I actually have these notions. No matter what, I think 1170 is a very tough resistance, 1172 to 74, and I think people would be booking out at that zone who have been carrying intraday or who have been carrying BTST. So let's see if it corrects, and if it opens 1172, which I'm saying over here, if it opens here and then it dips round about at here. So I would very be interested in understanding how it behaves in 1150 levels, and then eventually I will definitely keep on tweeting and making positions. This is one of the big companies and one of the upcoming sectors which has a huge amount of tailwinds, and this is something which will always be in my radar. Thanks a lot for listening and hope this was helpful. अगर आपको हेल्प लगे तो अच्छे कमेंट्स की, नॉट अच्छे, जो भी है आपको अच्छा लगे बुरा लगे जो भी लगे, कमेंट्स कीजिए और बताइए कि what more you would want to learn in or not learn, but what more you would want to understand my trading strategy, or then always trade and always take positions based on your understanding. Thanks a lot for listening.